Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I just want to show you guys what the ring pop templates look like that I came up with. Y'all, this one was a difficult one. Let me tell you. I did do these smaller at first. This is the bigger size that I did, but it's like no matter, even when I made them bigger, I don't know if it's because I'm doing it on the sticky paper, but it just seemed to, because this was the smaller one that I did. Of course, you know, you can see this one was way too small, but they just seem to like scrunch up. I think that's because of the sticky paper. But this is like glossy laminated. This is not laminated. This is just regular paper. And as you can see, if you're using regular paper, yeah, your paper gonna wrinkle. But like I said, I think that's because I use like the sticker. I think if I was to use like tape or glue, it wouldn't do this. You guys let me know how it comes out without, you know, if you don't have a sticker machine, how it comes out without using the sticker machine. Because I really think that's what this is. But yeah, this is pretty much how it came out. This is what I came up with. Um, all templates, measurements, images, all of that will be on my Patreon page. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.